I'm Bill Slayball. This is Susan Tangy. We are BSE. We're in Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. We can be found on Facebook right now. We're here for vapor honing your components, taking corroded old pieces and bringing them back to life. Make those parts look like new by doing it by hand.
I have been in accounting my entire life. I've helped paint tractors, I've helped paint, I've helped rebuild engines. So I've always been in the shop mechanically, but on the professional side, I've always been on the accounting. Bill is getting a little bit older, and so I said to him, it's time to start thinking of a plan B, because his job is very strenuous. So for the last 4 or 5 years, he's kind of been kicking some things around, trying to decide what would that next chapter be.
It's absolutely amazing. A 70-year-old process that not a lot of people know about, and I'm waiting for everybody to catch on to it. Our number is 717-443-5839. Check us out on Facebook. We have a lot of interesting photos and videos. Anything that's dingy and rusted and you think can't be cleaned, please give us a call. Please check us out. We can make a big difference in your items.